Alright, so I collected a good amount of draw cards. So 4 captains, 12 Krypton tickets, and 127 normal tickets. So let's see what we get. So let's start with the common tickets. So here mainly I just going for the blues, so I don't really care about the greens and the commons, I just break those. Hopefully we can get some blue planes maybe. Ooh, torpedo. You see, I don't like lightweight torpedoes, I prefer the HE torpedoes. But oh well, something to break, I guess. Let's see next. Oh, an orange. Another lightweight torpedo. And oh, well, plug-in. It's pretty bad. Let's see. 2 blues, pretty good, pretty good. Alright, so laser. And the pulse missile. Not that good. Oh, purple. Machine gun shards. Three blues. Yeah, so for lasers, I prefer the long range ones instead of the ray guns. For missiles, I prefer the clusters or the HE missiles. I think they're better. Let's see what we get next. Alright, 2 blues. Oh, torpedo. It's good for... So just electromagnetic, which is not that good because destroyers have plus thermal damage, but it's not too bad. It's like a good second, in my opinion. Alright, next. Purple. Laser. I don't really like these lasers. Yeah, I prefer the shaped laser instead of those guns. Etheric laser gun. Oh well. Next. Purple and blue. Yeah, so clusters. Pretty good. And another light torpedo. Oh, 4 blues. Alright, ray gun. Light torpedo. So I prefer ghost cannon instead of the cannons, because ghost cannons have a lot of crit. So yeah, I prefer ghost cannons. So it's pretty good. And the plug-in laser. Not too bad. Ooh, purple. Anti-air. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Next. Another purple. Anti-air. Nothing much. Yeah, might as well. Green. Missiles. Blue. Missiles. Well, at least I get a lot of blue device cores, so that's not too bad. Another green missile plug-in. Trash. Trash. Alright, trash. That's pretty bad. Yeah. Alright, let's do the captains next. Alright, 5 Ashley. 5 Syrup, so Syrup is actually pretty good, even though it's not in the previews. It's like she's a new hero. Yeah, Syrup, new hero. When you are alone, increases attack by 26% and restores 20% durability for every enemy destroyed. Wow. So it's like Blackbeard, but Blackbeard has attack and damage reduction, and Sirif just has attack. So I think Sirif would be good in something like lasers or projectiles, same as Blackbeard. If you have both, it's really good, because if the enemy focuses on one of them, then obviously the other one will be the last one surviving. So I think it's good. And the other new hero is Ethan. When killed, all allies receives a 5% attack increase and damage reduction. So it's like a suicide captain. I don't really like it. Something that works after you die has to either give you like, I don't know, 30 or 40%, but not just 5%. I don't know. Yeah, no well. Let's see. 2 more. Diaz. So that's the one on my second projectile cruiser. And Night Rand. It's pretty good. He's on my main destroyer. Oh, maybe I can start him up then. Oh wow, factory. Yes, I can synthesize some stuff. So as I said, right now what I'm doing is when I recycle, batch recycle, I recycle all whites, and then I keep 4 of everything, just because you never know when you like need stuff. So I'll keep these 4, remove those. I'll keep that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't need that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, don't need. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's a lot of lasers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't need everything else. I'm just keeping 4 just in case I want to try something, but 2, 3, 4. Cannons don't really like, but I'll keep 4 as well. And there you go, recycle. Yes, I get loads of like blue device cores, although blues you can R&D, so it's good, you can R&D blues. And last thing, we'll use the Krypton ticket, so a 10 and then 2 single pulls. See how it goes. Oh, seems like we got something. Legendary device. Oh, nice. Shadow UAV. Alright. That's alright. See, couple of singles. Oh, another legendary. Oh, laser plug-in. Just shards though. That's And another legendary, just shards. Alright, so dock,
Shipyard.
device. Oh, only used by carrier above, shadow, electromagnetic. Alright, I guess. Instead of the white UAV. Probably, since it's legendary, I'm guessing I'm gonna keep it like even to late game, so yeah, might as well get it full. So I'm planning on legendaries and purples and blues till I get obviously more ships and everything, but I got also another tactical missiles. It's can be good. You can put it, yeah, I can put instead of that have a green tactical there. Well, that one was, yeah, all right. And let's see, lasers. That's it. Cool. Thanks for watching. See ya.